Hi guys, this is Shervin here, and this is my submission for the Git Init hackathon. So, this is Penguin. This is my app. So yeah, so Penguin. What is Penguin? Penguin is a DSL domain-specific language, which is a subset of a programming language, and the Penguin provides a simple, intuitive syntax that for performing common data analysis tasks on medical datasets. So it's geared towards medical datasets in the medical industry as a whole. So with just a few lines of code, users can generate charts, run powerful queries, and perform other data analysis tasks for medical datasets. So what is the impact of Penguin? Penguin simplifies the process of analyzing and visualizing medical data, and it does so in a really fast scale, which can help data scientists and other medical professionals to gain insights from their data more easily. And the Penguin does so by providing an easier way to gain insights from medical records using it's easier syntax, like I said, and other benefits, which I'll get into next slide. So yeah, with all these benefits and impacts, Penguin has the potential to improve healthcare and other areas of the medical field with its powerful data analysis techniques. So benefits of Penguin. The number one I would say is ease of use. When I built up Penguin from the core, I thought of developer experience, user experience, and obviously I think it would show a lot to for the user to have easier syntax. So the simple and intuitive syntax of Penguin makes it easier for users to analyze and visualize their data without having to write any complex code, Python code, or having to go through like big Excel workbooks. So Penguin, the flexibility is also another benefit. So users have a lot of degree of freedom. They can run custom queries and also they can also filter data and perform. They can also customize their charts and plots as well with Matplotlib, the undercover basically. And another one would be speed of Penguin. It uses Numba, so it's faster than general Python with its Git compiler. And another one would be interoperability. The Penguin is built on top of existing popular libraries used in the Python ecosystem, which makes it easier to integrate with other tools and systems in the Python ecosystem. So it's really interoperable. It's also really good for collaboration. Penguin allows for others to easily recognize their code, easily understand their code, and also for you to write really understandable code, which can help the pace of development in your team. So how Penguin is built. Penguin is a fairly complex piece of software. It's built up from the ground up using Python. Libraries such as pandas and matplotlib is used for data analysis, and scikit-learn for the ML part. And Numba was also used to make the Python application, like I said, faster with this JIT just-in-time compiler. Now let's look at a simple demonstration. So let's just gonna run this. Whoops. Okay, so it's clear. Now let's boot up the kernel, Penguin kernel. Yeah, so I just want to say that the Penguin accepts any dataset. So yeah, so like it doesn't have to be hospital costs, which is what I'm going to use now. It can also be mental statistics and other datasets. It's not limited to any particular kind of medical dataset. It can be anything. So let's use hospital costs. Command 1. So now let's write up some comments. I have a few comments that I have listed over here, so I'll showcase you guys. So first one, scatterplot. Obviously you can do more, but this is just a demo, so I have to make it a little quicker. So yeah, scatterplot. So you can see generate a scatterplot in an instant with just 3 words. Scatterplot being the function, age being the x, and race being the y. So this is scatterplot. Let's get a simple query. Query age is greater than 14. Gets all the rows that have age greater than 14. So as you can see, all the rows age greater than 14. Now let's chain multiple statements together. So drg greater than 700. So all you have to do to chain queries is to just add them next to it. You can see it performed the query. Let's try running a bar plot. as you can see, there's a bar plot. Can also, if I like do something else, it gives me invalid query. So yeah, it gives good error messages as well. And final one, let's generate a simple linear regression model. Age loss, age being the x, y being the loss. And you can see it gives the metrics for the generated model, coefficient, and the intercept. So this is Penguin. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and yeah.